Hello everyone, this video is going to be about my bike. I'm going to tell you about all the parts of this 6 setup, and I will tell you about the bike that I will use on the trails that I built myself. So let's get started. So as for the frame, I use DJ frame from Bergamot Bicycle. The name of the frame is Keys 040. This is an aluminum frame from the Aluminium 6061 T6. I like this frame because of the color and because of the strength, because this frame is so strong. As for the drivetrain, I use Shimano K-Set and Shimano Derilla. That suits me. Also, I use SRAM PG chain that is made in a silver color, and I like it so much. As for the shifter, I have Shimano Dior shifter for 10 speed. I have a 10 speed drivetrain. As for the cranks, I use Truvativ Ruction cranks powered by SRAM. The length of the cranks is 170 millimeters, and I use these simple Velcro flat pedals with custom sharp teeth on them. As for the brakes, I use simple Tektro Draco brakes. These brakes are unprofessional, but they are good for beginners, as me. So the rotors of the bike are from Tektro 2, and the lever of the brake is Tektro Draco. These brakes are so good, and the levers, and they suit me well. As for the dropper post, I use Procraft dropper post with the reverse seat with the color of the frame, the blue frame, the blue seat with black. And I have this simple lever with the cable and guard. Also, I have the chain guards from Mozart. These chain guards were installed on the bike when I bought it, so I like them very much because they help me to save the chain while riding the trails. As for the fork, there's installed RST Dirt fork. This fork has no axle because it's for beginners, but it's so strong because of the 30mm legs, tubes, and a lot of useful advantages. As for the tires, I use Continental Racekin tires with 2x2 width. Yes, my wheels are 26 because it's a dirt jump bike, so I can't install 27.5 or 29 wheels, so I use 26 wheels. So for the bar, I use Bergamot 750 millimeters of the bar. This bar is for dirt jump bikes, but I use it for trails because it's so comfortable. As for the grips, I use Bergamot grips. As for the first time, they had plates, but I cut them down because they weren't comfortable for me. So, and now I will show you how my bike works. So in this video I told you some words about the bike parts I use and about the whole bike. So see you soon in the next videos. Goodbye.